Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's Thursday beauty tip, green tea ice cubes. What are green tea ice cubes? Well, exactly that. Using ice cubes on your face is a great way to get rid of puffiness and calm your face, cool your face down, eliminate that like face bloat or this. And instead of just using plain old water, which is great, people do that all the time, why not infuse that water with green tea or an herb that is great for your skin? Green tea is great because it's a natural antioxidant. It prevents sun damage, so this is a great thing to use going into the warmer months with spring and summer on the horizon. Well, spring is here and summer on the horizon. You can definitely benefit from this kind of a treatment in the morning, which is super quick. You're simply going to steep green tea, have a cup, whatever you don't use, pour into some ice cube trays, freeze, store for later, and that way you always have them on the ready. If you just want to use this for ice cubes, steep it and let it sit overnight so that it's incredibly concentrated, and then divvy it up the next day and freeze it. So the longer it steeps, the more powerful it's going to be. So it's a great like little treatment, and like I said, you can always have them on hand for whenever you need it. You can just do that and go on about your day, go on about your business. Long and short of it, green tea ice cubes. This is quick, this is easy, this is natural, and it's effective. The whole goal of this is to show you quick and easy ways to use natural products and incorporate them into your skincare routine without having to do too much, and just to show you that it is easy and it is simple and it doesn't have to be a whole DIY situation. Okay guys, I will see you after the video. All right, let's talk about green tea benefits. Green tea is a fantastic herb or extract for your skin. It reduces oiliness. The tannins are said to shrink your pores and reduce sebum production without the harshness of chemical ingredients. They shrink blood vessels, so it's a natural toner, draws out impurities, reduces pore size, like I said, and is probably, again, one of the best for your complexion. Overall, it is a great way to incorporate green tea into your skincare routine. This particular one here is Shunmi. It is a very lightly roasted, very subtle flavor in drinking it. It's also, just as a note, incredibly caffeinated and has a strong kick. So a little bit when you're drinking this goes a long way. You really can pick your favorite. You cannot go wrong with any green tea. So first up, what you want to do is make sure you have a strainer and a bowl so that you can pour your tea in after you've steeped it. If you've steeped it for 24 hours or longer, or what have you, however long you've done it, this is the perfect way to strain it to make sure you get all of the juice and none of the actual pulp. So once you've done that, you want to press down, making sure to get everything out, get all the yummy goodness. Make sure you don't want to leave anything in there, because there's quite a bit of liquid in those leaves. The longer you steep the tea, you just want to simmer it for probably about 10 minutes or so, and then turn it off and then let it just sit, and then it can sit for however long you like. After that, I just pour everything into a measuring cup just to make it super easy to pour so I don't lose any of it. Whatever's left over, I'll either drink or just put aside. Then you just pour it into the little cubes, and that's it, really. It really is that simple. Obviously, like I said, use something a little not as deep as these. I use the big ones because I use them for my water as well. Now all you want to do is cover, set aside, and freeze. So after they're all frozen, you can take them out and then set them aside and use them however you like. Look at how concentrated that is, and you can even see some of the bits from the green tea in the bottom. And then I drop one ice cube in my water bottle, and I have it throughout the day, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like and subscribe and share with all your friends. Don't forget to click the little button the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications when we put out new videos. The goal here is to get a natural beauty tip, your Thursday beauty tip, if you will, out every week. So follow us on Instagram at Shia Skin, that's at SHIA Skin, for updates and photos of products and things of that nature. And let's see, what else? Oh, any questions or comments or suggestions for new videos, please don't hesitate to leave those below. And if you try this tip or any of our tips and you like to let us know how they worked for you, let us know that as well. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. I have been looking all over the place in this video. So